Hello, my name is Sigan. The last NRP is 009. I will introduce my program. My program is Buoyancy Gauge on Objects program. This program is used to find buoyancy of objects with liquids. Yeah. This is the example of raw water. The raw water is 1,000 kilogram per meter cubic. First, I'll show you my concept. Mm, this is my concept, like like you see. This is the liquid, and this is the object. The object have a pressure, that gravity, and mass, and the fluid have the buoyancy too, that we call density. Um, Density reflects the buoyancy. Okay. Uh, Back to the coding. This is my coding. I'll use this. Depth has a start. Name it shape. What is the volume of object? What is the mass of object? And this is in my coding. Uh, this program will show the object can float or the object could sink down. If the object uh, force is lower than density, the object will float. But if the density of liquid bigger than the density of object is bigger than the density of liquid, the object will sink down. Hmm. Let me start the program. Do you want to use this program? I will say, if I say no, this program is clear. Wait a sec. Like this. If I say no, the program will not continue. I will run it again. Uh, I will say yes. The volume of object input 100. The mass of object in kilogram, 10 kilogram. What is the volume of immersed part? I input 50. The volume of water, I put 20. Oh no, volume of water 200. The density of liquid is the water it has 1,000, like this. But if like oil or something, maybe we can change the variable 1,005. The object is floating, and my program can show the difference force between object and liquid. Difference force is 199,995. Okay, that's all from my project. Thank you for your attention. Okay.